Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is baked rice. Okay, first thing what we are going to do, I've got one onion in here. We're gonna peel it, chop it, and we're gonna put it into this container for the time being. When it comes to baked rice, you will find a lot of variation how can you do the baked rice. Some might par cook the rice before. Us, what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave the rice uncooked before we put it into the oven. So that is the onion. We're going to put it into this container for the time being. Now, I've got one bacon and I'm going to cut it into cubes. Now, when it comes to bacon, you can leave the bacon whole and then take it off, cook it and take it off. Otherwise, do like I'm doing. Just, I'm going to leave the bacon with the ingredients, with the dish itself. So it comes to a personal choice. Now I've got some peeled garlic. I'm going to pick up 3 or 4 in there. Again, we're going to give them a quick chop and we're going to put them with the onion and bacon. So that is the garlic. It's gonna go with the onion and bacon. Now, our next step, I've got a pot in here. We're gonna turn that on a medium to high heat, and we are going to add a little bit of oil in there. So we can start cooking the onion, bacon and garlic. So, we're going to cook the onion, bacon and garlic for about 1 minute. Then, what we will do, we will add some tomato puree. We're going to cook that for 1 to 2 minutes again. Then we will add our minced meat. We cook that for another minute also. And we add the peeled tomatoes. We bring to the boil. Then we simmer for 40-45 minutes. And that we will have the sauce to mix in with the rice ready. Now we will add some tomato puree in there, and again we are going to cook this for another minute or so. In the meantime, what we're going to do, I've got a baking dish in here, and we're going to grease that with butter. We leave it ready on the side. So that the rice will not stick with the baking dish. So that's the baking dish ready. Beautiful. So now, after we cook this tomato puree, we're going to add the minced meat. And we are going to cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes for now. Just make sure you will mix it through with the onion, bacon, garlic as well, and the tomato puree. Then we will add the peeled tomatoes, and we bring it to the boil, and we'll let that simmer for about 40 to 45 minutes. In the meantime, for the method and the ingredients, please do log on our website, robandjays.com, where there you can find much more recipes. They are all home cooked, they are all step by step, and they are all easy to follow. There you can find all sorts of recipes, from chicken, pasta, fish, salads. You can also find some menu planning as well, with a shopping list too. And please do share our work, so we encourage more families to come and cook in the kitchen. Thank you for that. So now, what we're going to do, we're going to add the peeled tomatoes in here. Of course, we can rinse that with water. Now, we're going to bring this to the boil, and we let that simmer for about 40 to 45 minutes. In the meantime, what we're going to do, I've got 4 eggs in here. We're going to crack them. And we're going to give them a lightly beat in there. This one is boiling now. We can turn that down to simmering. We're going to give the eggs lightly beat that is for later on, so we can mix with the sauce, rice, etc., etc. So that is the eggs. We've got the cheese ready. We've got the water as well to mix in later on. And then what we need to do is wash the rice and we leave it there on the side. So when we come back after 40 minutes, what we're going to do, we're going to mix everything together. We're going to bake it in the oven for 30 minutes. Then we take it out, give it a good mix again, and then we finish it in the oven for about an hour. And that will be our baked rice ready. So now, after 40 minutes, what we're going to do, we're going to turn off the sauce in there. We're going to turn on the oven on mark between 6 and 7. Then, what we're going to do, we're going to mix everything. We're going to put the sauce into this baking dish that we have greased before. I'm going to add the rice, the washed rice in there. Then I'm going to add the cheese, the eggs as well, and the water. And what we're going to do, we're going to give it a mix in here. Then we're going to bake it in the oven first for 30 minutes. Then we will take it out. We give it another stir like I am doing now, and then we put it back on and we finish it for another hour in the oven. There we go. So now we can put that in the oven for 30 minutes. So now, after 30 minutes, what we're going to do, we're going to take the rice out. We're going to give a good seasoning. If you can, because I forgot, give the seasoning when we mix the first time. Now, we are going to give it a good stir in there, like that. And we will put it back for another 1 hour. And then we take it out and we can serve. Beautiful. So now we are going to put it back in and we're going to leave it there for an hour. And when we come back, we can take it out and we can serve with a nice, lovely salad. So now, after 1 hour, we're going to turn the oven off and we are going to take this beautiful rice out and we are going to serve. I'm going to serve this with a nice salad. You can serve it in what salad you like, so it only comes with preference. Look at that. Here you have it. Baked rice. In Maltese it's called Forn. For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now. Bye-bye.